place to go. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Hi guys, and welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. So today, it's another work day. I just went to go grab the gifts that I bought the other day, or not gifts, the toys for the toy drive. And I'm gonna grab my lunch. Where is it? Here it is. Lunch. And I'm gonna go to work.
1 hour later.
What the hell? Oh, that's going in the vlog. Mental breakdown number 10 of the day.
It's 8 o'clock.
Wait a second. So I'm back at the mall, and I have a couple things that I need to get for my last Christmas Eve game. So I need to get some empty gift cards for my gift card roulette game, and I want to see if I can get like one of the prizes, well, the final prize, actually the cute Christmas pajama prize. So I want to see if I can get that here today, and I think that's it. A moment. This tree's so pretty. We got it. First gift done. Okay, so I'm back at Walmart, and I'm going to try to find some mugs, maybe, but I'm also gonna get some empty gift cards for my game. But let's look. Like, this is pretty. That's really cute. So I'm back home from shopping, and I've eaten something, and it's already almost 10 o'clock, and I haven't even started my game. So pretty much I went to Walmart and I got a bunch of gift cards. Now, some of these have money on it and some of them don't. So that's the whole point of the game. The whole point of this game is like gift card roulette. Like, spin it, see if you land on the blue or the red, and then pick an envelope, open it, and do you have money on that gift card? So for how I'm gonna do it this year, last year I did like little boxes kind of, and you like open up the box and like, oh, I like wrote on the empty ones, I wrote like, haha, no pizza for you, like call mom or something. And I'm gonna do the same thing this year, except I went to Michael's and I got this like craft card and envelope in the just the brown, and then I got a red one. But last year I made the dial, which I'll show you the dial later on, and I used blue and red. I don't know why I used blue because it's really hard to find blue envelopes, but I got this blue glittery tape from the dollar store. So I think I'm gonna do is either I'm gonna outline the folds, or I'm just gonna outline the outside of the envelope. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tape it onto my blackboard, and that's how I'm gonna do it. But the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna separate the cards with the money, and I'm gonna put some in the blue envelopes and the red envelopes, and I'm gonna write a funny message so that they know that they have money on these cards. And then I'm gonna pick some of the cards with no money on it, and I'm going to write something funny so they know that they have to try again. I'll just show you one. Gotta ask Grandma. It's 10:32. I'm literally not even close to being done. What am I doing right now? Okay, we're done with putting them in envelopes. All my red envelopes, and then I got all my blue envelopes. Now I just have to figure out how I'm gonna lay them down on the board. I think I'm gonna lay them down kind of like this, but we'll see. I want a little bit of room for the letters. Probably gonna use my small blue letters for this one, but I'm gonna try to, oopsies. I'm gonna lay them out, and then I'm gonna not glue them. How are people gonna take them off? I'm gonna bubble tape them to the back. Some of them are up. So I gotta tape these. Now, I don't even remember which ones have money in them and which ones don't, so I would be just as surprised as anyone else. I honestly, probably knowing me, I will get the ones that are just blank over and over again. So how we do it is you spin the dial, and I'll go get the dial in a second, but you spin the dial, you land on either blue or red. And then you're gonna come to the board and you're gonna pick either, depending on the color that you landed on, you're gonna pick an envelope. You're gonna open that envelope. And it's either gonna be like, yay, you have money, and then you're done. Or it's gonna say, womp womp, try again. I have 16 gift cards in total that actually have money on them. And so everybody will leave with a gift card. Now, some of them only have $5 on them, and some of them have, I think 15 is the most. Oh no, 25 or 20. 20 might be the most. So I can't seem to find the right pattern for this, so I'm gonna keep trying until I get all of them on here. So I'll show you what it ends up looking like when I'm done. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna tape this down like this, and then on the back I'm gonna have it all decorated. I'm only doing that because I bought the decorations and it's a dollar store you can't return, so might as well make use of them. So I'm going to tape these down to the back, and then I'm going to decorate it pretty much and try to make it as festive as possible. We're done. We're done with that. Now I'm going to just, try not to break it. I'm going to just do some decoration on the back. So I'm all done. Show you what it looks like. I kind of just gave up, honestly. I'm just over it. This is what it looks like. Oh well. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, comment, subscribe, put those post notifications on, because we will be back with more videos shortly. Bye.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.